improvisation and is shot much more speedily than films are.
그때 드라마를 촬영하면서 그런 습득한 그리고 이제 알게 된 그런 순발력들, 재치들 이런 것들을 영화 촬영할 때 조금 도움이 되는 것 같다라는 생각이 듭니다.
I did feel that the skills that I attained while shooting TV dramas, like improvisation and humor, were aspects that I could use when I was filming my films.
네, 먼저 안녕하십니까, 이동욱입니다. 인사를 못 드렸어요. 사실 예전에는 영화를 필름으로 찍던 시절에는 조금 영화와 드라마의 차이가 컸다고 생각이 되지만 이제는 그 시스템적인 차이가 거의 없어졌기 때문에 사실 뭐 영화 촬영을 하든 드라마 촬영을 하든 뭐 늘 같은 마음으로 하고 있고요. 현빈 배우께서 말씀하신 것처럼 아무래도 드라마 현장이 조금 더 이렇게 빨리 진행되고 순발력이 필요하기 때문에 그런 것들을 계속 유지하면서 영화 촬영을 하면 또 도움이 되죠.
First of all, hello everybody, I'm Lee Dong-wook. I didn't get to say hi earlier. So when I was starting out, I did feel that there was a big difference between filming for movies and filming for dramas. But I feel like today the systematic difference between the two projects are diminishing, and so I think I attend to both films and drama films with the same kind of attention and passion. And so I do agree with Hyunbin though that in dramas you do need to have a bit more improvisation and spontaneity. So I do think those skills I definitely applied to when I was shooting for films.
It's interesting how you both speak about that. It feels like even though the structure or system for series and films can be quite different, that now in terms of how you approach performance, those walls are starting to fade. And we're also seeing that, I think, in Western drama series as well, where we see also more filmmakers moving from film to directing series. We also see so much more creativity that we see in film series, character development as well. But I want to ask you the second question. I do find that Korean dramas in particular are very original in many ways, and more recently outside of Korea, of course we all know, have become increasingly popular and very, very addictive for audiences. From your perspective, what makes K-dramas so memorable to so many people? And I'll start with Hyunbin again.
글쎄요, 제가 궁금한데요.
I'm actually curious for that answer.
모르겠어요. 제 생각에는 아무래도 한국의 특유의 어떤 감성 그리고 그거를 세심하게 풀어낸 어떤 로맨스들 그리고 문화의 차이를 넘어서는 어떤 스토리텔링 이런 것들이 많은 분들이 보실 때 조금 더 신선하고 재밌고 또 함께 이렇게 공감할 수 있는 이유가 아닌가라는 생각이 듭니다.
In my opinion, I do feel that these K-dramas have very unique sensibilities that are special to Korea, whether it is the romance genre. I think that it's able to cross cultural barriers and able to connect, and the audiences globally are able to empathize with these stories.
그리고 이거 지극히 제 생각이지만 한국 드라마의 퀄리티가 상당히 좋습니다.
It might just be my opinion, but I do feel like K-dramas have very high quality.
That's right.
네, 드라마의 퀄리티가 굉장히 좋고요. 그다음에 그 창작의 자유가 많이 보장이 되기 때문에 다양한 소재를 과감하게 시도할 수 있는 어떤 배경이 많은 분들께 사랑을 받지 않는 요인 중에 하나일까 생각합니다.
Yes, I do think that Korean dramas have high quality, and I also think that there's quite a bit of freedom for what kind of topics we can talk about. So the challenge is that we are able to make have a wide variety.
그리고 스텝 감독님들 그리고 스텝들 배우들 모두 다 굉장히 그 자기가 맡은 일을 최선을 다해서 하려고 노력하는 것들이 기본 바탕에 아주 많이 깔려 있기 때문에 그래서 그런 건 역시 작품의 퀄리티가 높아지는 요인 중 하나가 아닐까 생각합니다.
And I also think that in K-dramas, the staff, the director, the actors, everyone's trying their best to come up with the best project that they can produce. So I think that all contributes to a high quality project.
I couldn't agree more. I always share with friends of mine, I had not watched K-dramas prior to COVID. And during COVID, I had so many friends urging me to. So I started during that time and I became completely addicted. And I think the writing is excellent. The character relationships are very, very complex. And the mixing of genre, where it moves from comedy to thriller to action. And I think it's a real expertise, I find, of Korean series to execute mixed genre in a really inventive way.
Yes.
I'm gonna go to your early projects. So, Hyunbin, in The Secret Garden, one of your early projects, which really catapulted you in a big way, your character was almost a unlikable character, or one that had a tough exterior, but by the end of it, you won over the hearts of the audiences. How, at that early point in your career, did you approach your character or your performance?
시크릿 가든보다 훨씬 앞서서 내 이름은 김삼수라는 작품에서도 까칠한 캐릭터였었죠.
그렇죠.
Much ahead of Secret Garden, even in My Lovely Samsoon, my character was a little rough around the edges.
그런 비슷한 어떤 설정을 가지고 있는 캐릭터를 연기하다 보면 그 다음에 뭔가가 조금 더 달라 보이게끔 찾는 게 배우의 역할 중에 하나인 것 같아요.
I do feel that the role of an actor is, despite similarities between several characters, trying to find unique aspects, even though both my character in Secret Garden and My Lovely Samsoon had similarities.
그래서 뭐 눈빛이나 연기나 대사 톤이나 이런 것들에 조금씩 차별화를 찾아가면서 캐릭터를 만들어가고 무엇보다 그런 캐릭터가 어떤 한 여성을 위해서 헌신하고 모든 것들을 쏟아붓는 모습들을 이제 시청자분들이 보게 된다면 그게 훨씬 더 큰 반전을 가져오는 것 같고 훨씬 더 사랑받게끔 이 캐릭터의 그 나쁜 모습마저도 조금은 이렇게 커버시킬 수 있는 것들을 만들어낸다고 생각을 합니다.
So in preparing for these characters, I'm thinking about how I'm going to execute the tone, the way that he looks, his mannerisms, in order to find very unique characteristics. And when the audience sees this character give up everything for the woman that he loves by the end of the story, I think he becomes very lovable despite his flaws.
그래서 얼만큼 다채롭게 레이어드를 해서 캐릭터를 만들어내느냐의 문제인 것 같은데 그런 것들이 시크릿 가든이라는 드라마에서는 잘 보여졌던 것 같고 또 제가 생각한 것 이상으로 많은 분들이 사랑을 해주셨던 것 같습니다.
And so in building character, I really think about creating these layers. And with Secret Garden, I think it was reflected very well in that character. And I also think that's why it got such a great audience response.
그리고 아까 말씀하신 대로 한국 작품의 시크릿 같은 작품이 어떻게 보면 로맨틱 코미디와 판타지를 믹스를 한 작품이죠.
And like you mentioned before, Secret Garden is a project that combines both the rom-com and fantasy genres.
그런 지점에서 보시는 분들, 시청자분들도 신선함을 느끼신 부분들이 분명히 있으실 거고 또 남녀 주인공 배우들의 어떤 영혼이 이렇게 바뀌는 그런 설정들의 재미가 또 있지 않았을까 싶습니다.
So I think this kind of genre bending was very fresh to the audience, as well as the storyline of the two main characters' souls being exchanged.
I'm Very similar question for you, Lee Dong-wook, but I'm going to ask you to speak in reference to My Girl, which was an early series for you, but also catapulted you to a public audience, a huge household hit. Written by the Hong sisters, very famous in series. What attracted you to the script then, and how did you approach that character? I believe you were quite young.
거의 20년 전이라서 almost 20 years ago. 그래서 자세히 기억이 잘 안 나지만 그러니까 그때 당시 어떻게 보면은 좀 이렇게 유행했던 로맨틱 코미디의 장르였던 것 같고요. 그다음에 그 상황 설정이 독특하고 재밌어서 그 부분에 조금 끌린 점이 있었죠. 그러니까 가짜 여동생 행세를 하는 여자 주인공이라는 것도 좀 특이했고, 그래서 그런 점들이 좀 재밌지 않았나 생각합니다.
Well, My Girl, that was 20 years ago, so I can't remember quite the details of it. But I do think that at the time, rom-com was the vogue, and also the synopsis of the drama where the main female protagonist pretends to be the sister. I think that was an interesting spin on the rom-com genre.
Can you talk a little bit about how did you remain grounded when you became, such big superstars in Korea and in the Korean television industry, starting from that early time in your career? Maybe I'll put that question to Lee Dong-wook first.
아직 슈퍼스타가 아니기 때문에 편정심을 유지하지 않나 생각합니다. 슈퍼스타가 되고 싶습니다.
I'm not a superstar yet, so I'm trying to remain calm, but I would like to be one.
I think the audience would disagree.
I'm a superstar. 글쎄요, 모르겠어요. 이렇게 보시는 분들, 관객분들이나 아니면 시청자분들은 어떤 순간에 저의 작품을 보고 그때부터 저의 팬이 되거나 아니면 저의 작품을 찾아보시겠죠.
I don't know about the audience members, but I'm sure fans found me at a certain point in my career and started following the work that I do.
근데 저 같은 경우는 고등학교 때부터 연극을 했었고 천천히 제 나름대로의 이 배우로서의 커리어들을 만들어 왔다라고 생각을 합니다.
But I do feel personally I have been acting since I was in high school in various plays, so I've been going down this path for quite a long time.
그런 지점에서 제가 인지도가 더 높아지고 많은 분들에게 사랑을 받는 거에 대해서 그걸로 인해서 제가 변한다기보다는 오히려 그런 점들을 더 감사하게 생각을 하고 선물처럼 다가온 그런 것들을 감사히 여기면서 그냥 이렇게 계속 저는 제가 어렸을 때부터 좋아하고 하고 싶었던 이 연기와 배우라는 직업을 계속 해나가고 있습니다.
And as I became more famous, I don't think personally there were a lot of changes. However, I do feel very thankful for the love that I've received and really see it as a gift given to me. And I just feel so lucky that I get to do what I love to do since I was a very young boy.
그래서 그런 평정심을 찾는다기보다는 그냥 이렇게 오늘처럼 관객 여러분들 아니면 또 저희와 같이 이렇게 대화를 하실 이 여러분들 이런 상황을 오히려 조금 더 즐기고 싶은 마음이 더 큰 것 같습니다.
And so I really want to enjoy these types of opportunities where I get to communicate with the audience, with the fans like today.
I think that's why you are both the superstars you wanted to be.
네, 드디어 슈퍼스타가 됐네요.
I'm finally a superstar.
So you both moved, you did so many projects, too difficult to name them all here, but you also moved on